Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Check the current IamCat version and your platform. Back up your saved data now, use Cloud Sync or a local copy, because updates can alter progress. Free up at least 1 GB of space and plug into stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet to avoid corrupt downloads. Once done, open the game launcher or store page and choose Update. This initiates the download and prepares files for installation. Next, you manage the heavy lifting. Pause competing downloads and close background apps so patches apply smoothly. Let the launcher verify files. This prevents mismatched assets and enable automatic patch application when prompted. If a larger content pack appears, allow extra time for extraction. Make sure your device stays powered, plug in mobile devices, and prevent sleep during install. Once verification completes, the installer writes updated game files and prepares any new assets for your next session. Finally, you launch the updated IamCat to complete migration and review release notes for feature changes. Make sure your controls, saves, and settings persisted. If assets fail to load, clear the cache or perform a clean reinstall. If issues remain, collect logs, device model and OS, steps to reproduce, and report to support. One quick troubleshooting tip: restart your device before reinstalling. This often clears file locks and resolves most post-update errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.